What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chat checking in. I know it's been a little minute. I haven't really made any videos, any footage. I've just been working as always, traveling for work. Also, I've been to a few events and I've been enjoying myself at the events. So I really just haven't had a whole lot of time to really document everything that's been going on. But I have, of course, I got some new parts. I got some big adventures. I got some big plans. And I'm going to give you guys some updates along with some new parts that just got in. Just wanted to showcase that. So I hope you enjoy this next episode. All right, guys, we're back. So I got a few parts in, got a few updates. Just want to fill you guys in. Right now, it's a rainy day. It's been raining for the last 3 days here, and I really just been relaxing. For work, I've been in Wyoming, Douglas, Wyoming, in the middle of nowhere. But when I tell you, it is very tranquil, it's very quiet, it is so relaxing. The people out there are so friendly. I really see why a lot of celebrities, they may go buy a house out that way. I was able to go out to see Mount Rushmore, which was about 3 hours from where I was staying. And I was out there in Wyoming for 3 weeks for work. So really didn't have opportunity to really get you guys any footage. And before that, I was just at LS Fest East. So that was an amazing time, some amazing networking, just all around, a marvelous show. So Holly put on one hell of a show out there. My first time in Bowling Green. I definitely did the LS Fest in Vegas. I did the one in Dallas, and I thought, that would have been enough. But I was like, you know what? One more, just so I can say I hit all three of them and I can really see the difference from them all. And definitely the one on the east is the biggest. Definitely the one on the west, when they have their slideshow and everything with Sack Speed Shop, that was huge. The one in Dallas brings out some very nice quality vehicles. The weather was great out there as well. But all three, I think definitely, if you haven't been to all three, you at least got to hit all three of them up. Next up is SEMA, so I'm definitely planning on trying to be there for a couple days. The car won't be in it, but I'm just trying to go out there, do some more networking, and see what else is out there. Also, the SEMA show, not just the SEMA like car show they have, SEMA Fest, and then actually SEMA. And then you also have PRI coming at the end of the year. I'll definitely be at that too. So, I just wanted to kind of give you guys, update of what I got going on. So, got the car back from the shop. I was able to add a couple goodies. Some of you guys probably remember. Let me see. So, shout out to Seatbelt Planet. I was able to get my red seatbelts from them. These things look amazing. Front and the rear. I also was able to get the Wolfbox camera in. I went and installed a double DIN radio, which is cool, but I kind of like just the factory trim. It fit a lot better. So I'm going to try to mold the OEM one or make some adjustments, whatever I need. Shout out to Aeroforce gauges. This is the 3D printed vent in order to put the Aeroforce gauge in. You can get it on, I think you can just Google it, O2 Camaro gauge, and I forgot the name of the company that makes it, but it was only like 35 bucks. So it fits pretty good. AC still functions, good placement. And that's really all, for the interior that I've been doing. Seat belts, new radio, Wolfbox camera, Aeroforce gauge. Let's see if I have anything under the hood. Nothing quite under the hood that I've changed. Most recently, of course, we got JYSP shot with the coil relocation, MSD rails, throttle body, MSD atomic manifold, the FIC injectors. I was running with the excess power battery, but we kind of had a little snafu where the original battery worked, but it was too big. And this battery area is really smaller than your typical battery. So it was too big. And then we went with their smaller battery that was super light, very powerful. It fit, but the positive and the negative were flipped around. And I just went to a car meet the other day, the Car Culture meet that morning or this past Sunday. And I went out there, car looked great. I tried to leave and the car died. So I just had to go get another battery. And I went ahead and went with the Optima yellow top, only because for performance reasons and because I've got a few electronics going on with the vehicle. So it was just time for me. I just needed a battery. But I'm still going to just work with excess power. Get with them to see if there's somewhere that we could develop a battery just for the F-body or for anybody that kind of has the same issues going on. If you follow my social media, my Instagram or my Facebook, anything like that, then you know that I've been in the works getting some Go Fast parts. So I've been working with Pro Chargers. Of course, you see this little red blow off. It's going to be loud, and really just kind of working with them. I got to chop it up with them at LS Fest, and man, they are so cool. They laid back. They've got F-bodies themselves, or their family member does. So, Jacob Grant over at Pro Charger, A1 customer service, man. They are so cool and just laid back. I mean, of course, they know Pro Charger. They know, they're the shit with it. So, there's really no pressure on them. But they've been very helpful, very friendly. And I didn't even know they had like a sister company that does like agricultural superchargers. So they do like the superchargers like for jets and agricultural applications, like huge superchargers. So not just cars, not F1, F2, F3, like probably like F27 superchargers. That's how big they are. So definitely got that going on. Right now we're going with this is the D1 SC supercharger. Of course, like I say, the blow-off valve. And probably eventually we may go to like an F1 once we get the motor done. I didn't really, and I'm not building this car to be the fastest. I'm not building this car to break any records. I'm really literally building a car how I envision it. Something that I can drive, from here across country. That's just fun. That's, a conversation piece that I could take it to the strip. I could take it to the track. I could take it to a show, the street, and it performs all around. Even road course, whatever. I just need an all-around performance car that looks good and performs just as well. So, got a few goodies, man. They just came in, and shout out to my UPS driver. I told him I was trying to save him a trip because I was trying to intercept him, and I guess he recognized me and was like, Chad? I'm like, I didn't know, So he seen me around town, If you seen my car, he knows me, so that was pretty cool. They was able to just recognize me, and I was able to get my parts a little bit earlier today. But definitely want to shout out Screaming Chicken. So if you haven't got any parts from them, they've always got some little parts that you may need just to either simplify some things on your vehicle, or just add a little touch to your ride. So what I did get from them was I got the little LED lights that actually go in your door trim. So there's a little light right here that people really don't pay attention to or notice, but it's really low, it's yellow, but these little bitty lights I got from Screaming Chicken. I'm gonna get those installed today. That'll be easy, just something to do while it's nasty rain weather. I've been bored, home from work, and just been bored, so decided to order some pieces. You don't ever really care about the details, man, and it's always about the details. It's always about the details. Some people don't even care. Me personally, I really do care. Probably care a little too much. Screaming Chicken, they have, this is the dipsticks with the billet handle. I kind of hate that yellow. Definitely need to try to find something for the trans food, but that yellow, like you have this, clean engine bay, and you have this little yellow dipstick. So got the billet one I'm gonna replace. So low carb, but Screaming Chicken sells these. So some other little goodies is just this aluminum cover to kind of cover that, block that. I mean, it's not that bad because it's black, but just something to kind of cover it up, make it look a little more appealing. And then, of course, got the PCM cover, because I'm gonna get rid of these wires, do like a wire tuck, and put these in the fender liner, hide it. But then also this little nest up here. So this is a cover that goes up here as well, aluminum cover. And you can get it like raw metal, or you can get it powder coated. So I decided to go with the black, and then later if I decided to powder coat it or do something custom, it's available. But I just needed to get rid of that little nest over there. It's a little eyesore. Like I said, it's just the details and a lot of the things that you put into these cars. One of the big things is, so we got the intake manifold, we got the throttle body combination on MSD, but the shop was just having a little bit of, I guess when it comes to tuning, to have more control over the tuning, they wanted to go with a different throttle body, and they wanted to go with the Nick Williams, and I definitely wanted to stay with the Holley products, so I decided to upgrade. So, because I'm definitely gung-ho Holley, we've got the MSD 103 throttle body, and we wanted to go a little bit bigger. I know Nick Williams has one with a little more control, but we decided to go ahead and go with the Holley 105 throttle body, and that's what I'll be changing that out. Actually, this one will be for sale. This is MSD 103. This is the Holley EFI 105. So this is going to be perfect. More boost, more air. I know people are gonna be like, oh, you don't need all of that, but go big, go home, build for the future. Shout out Mighty Mouse Catch Can. Of course, J-Rod Speed Shop always works on the car when it comes to anything engine related. They make everything look nice and neat and clean. Definitely can't wait to get that Pro Charger in here. And originally, I was gonna go with the Pro Charger kit with the 6 rib and the twin 3.5 inch intercoolers, and then upgrade from there later. But I decided if I'm gonna go ahead and go in, we might as well just go in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with the 10 rib, the V1SC 10 rib kit with the center mount intercooler for the vehicle. And we're gonna open up this grill so it can breathe. Thinking about putting a line lock and a 2-step on it. And we're gonna get it popping. I definitely want to get this interior done. That's real big on the list. And definitely I'm gonna need a transmission. It's gonna need a rear end. It's always gonna be something to do on this car for a little bit. Probably within the next year or so, we'll put the other motor in it, get everything tightened out. So I'll probably have the car pretty much done within the next year and a half or so, to be honest. And then we'll probably be on to the next project. But this car is definitely mine for the long haul. I don't have any kids now, but in the future, this will probably be theirs. But that's really it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys an update. New car parts, new ideas, some new ventures, new journeys. Let me know if y'all do want to see more footage of me on these trips and on these actual shows when I go out to these shows. Just comment down below. Hit me up on Instagram. Don't forget to go to my website, nochillchad.com. I've got some merch on there, some t-shirts. I'll start putting some more keychains and decals and things like that. Just let me know what you want from me, and then I'll make it happen. So this is No Chill Chad. Check it out, man. See you guys later. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share this video, post it on a page or something, man. I'm trying to make that next mark of about 2,000 subscribers. But I appreciate anybody that just recognizes me or just tells me to keep going or says, man, that car looks really nice. I do it for myself, but I kind of, I try to help you guys live vicariously through me. And just let you know that, with just prayer, hard work, anything is possible. Trust the process and just keep going, man. Don't stop. Do you. All right. Y'all guys take it easy. Later.